Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look, and I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette and products from Smashbox, NYX liner, all kinds of good stuff. So please stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay guys, we are zoomed in. I already have my tape on, my bake on, so I can whisk away fallout. And if the lighting changes, I apologize. My camera is doing this wonky thing where it wants to mess with the brightness and everything. So I'm getting a new camera in the future, and we'll just go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and take Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette and put that on my lid first. I already have a transition shade down, and that's basically just the matte white, nothing fancy. So, and I take this and kind of put it in the crease. Since I have really hooded eyes, I don't really have a crease, it's just a fold, so I work with what I got. And I use that tape as a guide too, and just start from there and push the color forward towards my inner corner. Now I want this to kind of go high up because I'm going to put like that teal color underneath it. And I'm just going to blend that. This Jaclyn palette does have a ton of fallout, so I do suggest either you're doing your face makeup last or putting down bake, because I mean there's just a ton of fallout, and I can knock it all I want to and get all that extra off. It still has a crazy amount of fallout. So I worked tonight at 3:45. Glad I remember that. And since it's the weekend, we're going to be crazy busy. I'm excited to make some money. I put a question on Facebook on like the service industry page, and I asked if you're at a restaurant and you're being served, or you're at the bar, what are your pet peeves? And I've gotten some really cool answers, from your server talking to you too much, to scooping ice with a glass, which makes me cringe. Like, do not do that. Are you fucking crazy? You're gonna hurt somebody. Oh my goodness. That just stresses me out. Another one said that they don't want to see their server eating or chewing on anything, which I can agree with that. I don't want to see them eating because that means they haven't washed their hands, and seeing the wait staff not wash their hands, oh my god, if that even happens anymore, that's insane. That's disgusting. So just kind of blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take this teal color in my little BH Cosmetics palette. It doesn't have a name, but it's right there. And this palette I think was like 14 bucks, and you get, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 120 colors, I think. So I just put this lower in the fold and then blend that out. I was really scared whenever I started doing this look that these were going to become muddy, but they're blending really good together. Alright, this one is a little higher up than that one. I'm just going to take some basic white and kind of put it on the inner corner and highlight my brow bone. I want to take some more of that mustard colored. I want to make sure that both of the colors are really prevalent, so alright, I'm going to whisk away this fallout, take off my tape, and then I'm going to set the eyes because I feel like they're going to like lighten up over the course of the time, so I really want to make sure that they're set. So I'm going to do it with some setting spray, but I first want to get all this fallout off my face, and oh my goodness. So I just whisk it away, and the colors look really good. They look real good. So I'm just gonna dust this here. Skin is dry. I need to do a mask tonight. I think I'll do a mask tonight. Let me do a mask tonight. Alright, so I have my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro makeup setting spray. That was a lot. Now my face is all nice and dewy. And my eyeshadow looks good. I'm going to do... Let's do contour and blush now. And I have these fun brushes that I got from AO Studio, and they were $1. I've got a few more, but they look like the Artiste brushes, but they're not. They're not $400 freaking dollars. So they were like $10. So I just take some contour, whatever color contour. I'm using one from the BH Pro palette. That's just a contour kit. Sometimes this contour powder doesn't blend out, so I'm just going to take a bigger one of those. I'm not doing a lot of contour today. I'm getting some cream contour because I feel like that would work better for me since my skin is so dry. So, and that'll be here in forever because I ordered off Wish for like $2. So, oh, my neighbor and their dog. Okay, so now I'm going to take some blush from my BH Cosmetics Pro palette. I feel like this peachy color will contrast well with the yellow and the green teal. And this is a darker brown kind of blush color. It's hot today, so I'm probably going to be red anyways, so I get really, really red whenever I get hot. And I remember as a kid, my teachers would call my mom and be like, I need to take her to the hospital, you know, she's overheating. Nope, that's just the way I get. And they would get so freaked out. So, especially whenever I'm at work, sometimes my boss is like, are you okay? I'm like, I'm fine, I'm just hot. Alright, take some of that Coty Airspun and press it into my face with the fluffy brush. Alright, now I'm going to take some eyeliner, and I'm just going to follow the shape of my eye and eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to throw on some mascara and lashes, and then highlighter, and maybe some black eyeliner too. I'll probably put some teal shadow under the waterline. Maybe some mustard colored shadow too. We'll see. While this is drying, I'm just going to throw on my highlight. And I'm using the Mary Luminizer from the Balm that I got from like an Ipsy bag. And this is my favorite. I'm going to get a full size. I want the trio, but I haven't used the other ones, so I still want them. Hit pan already. Alright, I'm just using lashes from Christine that I got off of Amazon. They look like that. And you get like 10 pairs for like 12 bucks. And I love them. They have a thin band. They're fluffy and big. And they have so many styles. There's one down, and there goes my mascara and something else. Why do makeup people, I don't know, there's a lot going on like on our desks and stuff. Why do we always drop stuff? Always dropping stuff. For all Beauty Christie drops stuff. I love it when she drops stuff. She's freaking hilarious. And I just kind of push them up and meld them to my real lashes. Push those up again in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to tight line, and I've got my Smashbox gel liner. It's just a black liner I got in a Ipsy bag. Watching people tight line is so gross. Alright, now I'm just going to put some color underneath, and I am just going to spray my pointy type of brush with some setting spray. Jeez. I think I'm going to do teal and then mustard. Alright guys, well there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe before you leave. Yeah, have a great day y'all, and I will see you all on the flip side. Bye!